Another volatile from Monday, we got BZFD went to our box that we talked about today in our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET that we always do on our channel when we said this. We're gonna have a huge short open until the $3 there. Exactly, we said we're gonna go toward the $3 reversal area if we don't hold this ascending line, and we didn't hold it, and we went directly around this reversal area, and we did the really good trade from there, and with the price reversed almost 20%. We're gonna discuss the potential reversal and the squeeze area. Everybody knows this stock has been pumping. Beginning of this year, you see it here clearly. We went from the 60 cent until the $4.25, 100% this year. So we're gonna discuss potential another 100% and 200% for the next month. Next up, we got BBY, the price squeeze. We got some alerts on it, and some of our members here on YouTube just give us a signal for it, and we check it out, and it was near this breakout zone, the $2.83. And guess what? We suggested to take profit around the $3.16 before the rejection, and the price went down. And that's what we said exactly in our live streaming. A huge rejection will happen there. $3.16. Exactly. So the $3.16 was our rejection area, and we took profit before the price went down. I didn't suggest to re-enter because we don't have a clear entry, and the price went down. We're gonna discuss if there's potential to reverse. APE as well, the price pumped as we discussed before. If you remember, we discussed APE before, and we said there's a market maker buying because the price accumulating, and last Friday after hours we have the squeeze, and now we still accumulating in this price action. There's a potential for another pump. MLGO is getting near for a squeeze. We're gonna discuss the price action for it as well, and Lucid got kind of shorted now, and there's potential for a bottom reversal. So let's start our video with BZFD. The price went down around our box of support. We did even video update for our Jesus watch list that we do daily for our hunters on Patreon and Discord. And we discussed this price action here before the market open, of course, because we prepare before the market open for entry and exit and potential for resistance and squeeze area. When we said this level of resistance around $3.72 to be exact, we said when the market open, actually, because we tested before the market open, we said if we clear it, we're gonna have the test around the $4.25. We didn't, and we broke this. That's why we suggest to exit if you already enter, and we suggest to re-enter around the $3 and the $2.97 around this box, and that's why the price reversed. So this is a really good price to enter, and the price went higher. Now what's the game plan? The game plan is now we have a confirmation for support, and the resistance we need to clear for today in power hour is around the $3.75 to go toward the $4.25 squeeze area, for my opinion, to go toward the $5.60. And we're gonna do chart update, of course, when we overcome the $4.25 to have updated profit taking. Pretty volatile stock, we have to update the chart in a few minutes or even a few hours in order to have precise entry and exit for them. So stay tuned for that for our hunter and Patreon and Discord. However, right now the price is still getting rejected and going down some more, so we need to hold above the $3 to confirm a new support and never have a sell-off toward this bottom around the $2.42 and around $2.55. So this would be another reversal area for BZFD if we don't hold the $3. Just watch out. That's why we have to be patient and let the price come to us and never run after the price. BBY, the price squeeze from the $2.83, and it was a great entry for us on our live streaming, and we said the price will get rejected around the $3.16, and we updated the profit taken around the $3.18, and we said this is it for the profit taken. If we hold above it, we're gonna go to the squeeze area toward the $3.60, but we didn't, and the price got shorted. So now we have to overcome this flag that is just formed right now. Now we have a support above this EMA. Let me just bring back my support, turn it to red, and now we need to hold the support in order to confirm a breakout again toward the $3.18 and continue to go higher toward the $3.61. So we have to watch out for this current support. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge short open once again for BBY, and the price will go toward the $2.23. So pay close attention for this support and this breakout from this flag. Next up, we got ape. So ape have a struggle in this area below the $2.30 and the $2.12. So here we have to have accumulation. We have a fake out here. We should have actually went higher for ape after we cleared the $2.30, but the price got shorted. So this reaction I don't like. However, in the meantime, we need to hold above this current support, the $2.12. The current bottom for ape, if we don't want to have a sell-off, is the $1.93 to hold it and confirming a reversal and going toward this first profit taken around the $2.84 and $2.60. So now I already put alert around the $2.30 and the $2.12. So those two levels, really important levels to break, either for bullish momentum up or bearish momentum down. So we have to watch out for those two levels. MLGO, oh man, this one is about to break, but there's a huge short opened around the $3 last time around Friday, last Friday and today, pre-market I think, and the price went down. So what's the game plan? We're still holding above this EMA as a support. So to confirm doing higher lows, we need to hold above at least give or take the $2.70 in order to break this time $3 and going high once again. We're going to do update for MLGO. Pre-market, we might have pre-market gap like for GNS it did today. So we have to watch out before the market open, and we do it on our watch list before the market open just by 1 hour. Okay, so watch out for this video on our Patreon and Discord and our YouTube membership. Okay, so stay tuned for this watch list because we already did the watch list for today for GNS and ape and the other stock and that have potential to squeeze. So if we go back here and we see GNS, we already talked about it today, and we already took our profit when the market opened around the $7.30, and we said the $7 and the $7.39 is the profit taken after we cleared the $6. So when we cleared the $6 on our live streaming for GNS, we suggest to take profit around the $7 and the $7.39. We already spoke about it here in our watch list for today. And if you see the breakout zone that we discussed for GNS, you see it clearly. We said the $6 should be the breakout zone, the $6.18, and the profit taken, you see it here clearly around the $7.39. And we updated in our live streaming around the $7, between the $7 and $7.39. That's why we have the wick. We went until the $7.20 and the price went down from there and then hold the breakout zone around the $6. Even the breakout zone we updated around the $6.06 around when the market opened actually, and the price went around our profit taken. We did almost 10% and the price went down. So for GNS still we have support to hold above the $4.19 or $4.90 in order to have a continuation up. So now we have confirmed the resistance around this area. Let me just bring this down around the $7. Yeah, so the $7.10 should be the next breakout zone in order to go higher once again toward the 9 and the 8. So watch out for this breakout zone. And in the big picture, you see it's clearly that GNS is still in a bullish momentum. We have a huge pump for this stock from this 23rd of January. Yeah, we have a big jump from the 50 cent until the $5. So yeah, this one is a money maker machine. And however, in a smaller picture, last week, we got rejected around the $5.88 and the price entered a bit bearish momentum down. You see here? And we have a breakout around Friday. Last Friday, we have a huge breakout. And Monday, we have a continuation for this breakout around the $4.19. And we discussed this on our last video. We said the $4.19 would be a breakout zone for GNS. And we already did that for GNS. If we go back here, we see that GNS actually pumped from the breakout zone, the $4.15, and we went and we hit our profit taking the $4.70 and the $5.40. So now the game plan, we need to hold the $4.90 and continue to go higher once again toward the 9 and beyond. So watch out for this price update action for GNS after we clear the $7 once again and we hold above the $4.90. For Lucid, kind of interesting now because there's a potential for filling this gap above the $10, so watch out for this reversal area. For MLGO, we already discussed it, there's a potential break for the $3, so we're gonna do update once we have like clear indication for a breakout from the 3, a short update on our Patreon and Discord, so stay tuned for that. And tomorrow we're gonna do a live streaming around 3 p.m. CET as usual, or 9 a.m. Eastern time, to hunt for a stock that have potential to squeeze, like for today when we hunted GNS and BZFD are on the bottom. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next update.